Welcome to Lakshman Biology. Now we have to discuss about the multiple choice questions part 2 from body fluids and circulation. Question number 1 is, which of the following is a constituents of formed elements? See, formed elements, those are the cells which are present in the blood. Here the formed elements are WBC, RBC and platelets. Hence we can say that all of the above is our answer. Why? Because in option 1 they have given leukocytes, those are formed elements only. Leukocytes means WBC. Next, option 2 they have given erythrocytes, means RBC. Those are also formed elements of blood. In option 3 they have given the platelets. Platelets are also the formed elements. Hence all of the above is our answer. Question number 1, option 4 is our answer. Question number 2. Platelets are the cell fragments produced from. Platelets are the cell fragments which are produced from megakaryocytes. Megakaryocytes are large cells which are present inside the bone marrow. Inside the bone marrow you can see the megakaryocytes. That megakaryocytes become into an platelets, or that megakaryocytes will form the platelets. Hence question number 2, option 3 is our answer. Question number 3, which leukocytes secrete both heparin and histamine? Heparin and histamine secreted from the basophils. Hence option 4 is our answer. Question number 4, which of the following is true for erythroblastosis fetalis? Erythroblastosis fetalis is disease. It is an hemolytic disease in the embryo where the mother is negatively blood group female and the fetus is positive blood group fetus. See, when positive blood group male marry with a negative blood group female, then if first pregnancy is positive baby, then what happen? During first pregnancy there is nothing will happen. Okay, there is a placenta which present in between the mother blood and fetus blood. Hence nothing will happen at first pregnancy. But during the delivery of first baby, the baby blood can mix with the mother blood. Already we know that when Rh positive blood mixed in Rh negative blood, Rh negative blood of mother will produce Rh antibodies. But during delivery only, hence there is no effect to the first baby. But when second baby also belongs to positive blood group, in such condition the Rh antibodies which are formed in mother because of mixing of Rh positive blood with her blood, that antibodies will cross the placenta and that antibodies cause jaundice in the embryo, anemia in embryo, that may leads to death of the embryo. Hence if you see question number 4, they have given which of the following is true for erythroblastosis fetalis. Option 1, this could cause jaundice, correct only. Option 2, this could cause severe anemia, correct only. Option 3, this could be fatal to the fetus, means it may leads to death of fetus also. Hence all of the above is our answer, all correct only. Next question number 5, blood group were discovered by, the blood groups were discovered by Landsteiner, Carl Landsteiner. Hence option 1 is answer. Question number 6, person with blood group A poses. Person who contain blood group, they have antigen A on their RBC, then antibody B in their plasma. Hence question number 6, option 2 is our answer. Question number 7, blood group is due to? The blood group is due to specific antigens on the surface of RBC. See, on the surface of RBC, if the person contain antigen A, those belongs to A blood group. On the surface of RBC, if any person contain A and B both antigens, then those belongs to B blood group, AB blood group. If the person contain only B antigen on their blood RBC, then those belongs to B blood group. Hence, based on the type of antigen, we can determine the type of blood group. Question number 7, the answer is option 4. Question number 8. Prothrombin converted into thrombin in the presence of A. What is the A? Next, fibrinogen is converted into fibrin in the presence of B. What is the B? Here, this is the process of blood clotting. During blood clotting, what happened? Prothrombin, it is an inactive form, which converted into an active thrombin in the presence of enzyme thrombokinase. Hence, A is a thrombokinase. Again, thrombin which is formed can convert the fibrinogen into soluble fibrinogen into insoluble fibrin. Hence, B is a thrombin. Hence, question number 8, option 2 is answer. Question number 9, which is not the function of lymph? See, option 2 is answer for question number 9. Transport RBC, that is wrong function of lymph. Why? Because lymph not contain RBC, hence it will not involve in the transportation of RBC. Question number 9, option 2 is our answer. Question number 10, which of the following set of animals has an incomplete double circulation system? Incomplete double circulation system we can see in the animals which contain 3-chambered heart, that are amphibians and reptiles. Amphibians and reptiles both have incomplete double circulation. Here, toad, one type of frog, it is amphibia, which belongs to amphibian class, and lizards belongs to reptiles. Hence, toad and lizards has incomplete circulation. Hence, question number 10, option 1 is the answer. Thank you. For more updates on NEET multiple choice questions,